But hey, that's what I'm applying my makeup with. Today, I have dogs and a person with me. There's my puppy. This is one of the guests today. I'm gonna be doing this review challenge thing with my friend. Okay, here she is. Okay, so today we're gonna do a makeup review challenge with garbage bags.
I was gonna say toilet paper.
I've never seen a video on this, so we're gonna do half our face with brushes and then the other half with garbage bags. So we'll be back with half our face done. Woo! So we're back. I don't know if you can tell. What side did you do?
I did this side.
Of your face with makeup?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so we're both looking that way. Our highlights. That's the side that we did with our brushes. And now... okay, now we're gonna do...
I was gonna say toilet paper again.
I think that would be weird if we did toilet paper.
It would just be like hella... It would get... What's that called? The fibers.
Ew.
It would just get on her face.
That would be disgusting. She's smart though. She gave me the idea of putting it on my hand.
I forgot how I did put it on my thing last time.
Oh yeah, we're doing a redo by the way because quality of video was just sad.
Very sad. Remember it was smooth?
Oh yeah. Well, mine is smoother this time.
Did you use the same one?
What do you mean?
The same foundation?
Yeah.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Eyebrows? What do you mean? They're just... I can't get the makeup around them. I'm just gonna flip the garbage bag for the concealer.
I think I did my pot concealer last time and that turned out hella nice.
Oh really?
I'll do liquid.
How did you even do that?
I like scooped it out with my nail.
Oh.
And then...
Can't apply with the...
Oh. Okay.
You
Put
have
it on
to
the back
put
of my hand.
Yeah. I put like a little drop of concealer on. This is not turning out
This is
so
too much,
well.
huh?
No, it's fine. It's easier for you to grab it. Look at my face.
Oh my god, you can't get close to your eye, huh?
No, it's hard.
Did I do these fingers last?
I don't remember how he did it last time.
I feel like last time it was so good.
Yeah. Has it been focused this whole time? I hope it's been focused.
Me too. I can't blend it out, I'm scared.
Just
I look crazy.
By the way, this is my brother's girlfriend.
Hello.
My little brother. I think you've only seen him once in my videos.
Which video?
My update video a long time ago. Okay, so out of 10, how would you rate this?
Like would I use this like voluntarily?
Like if you had nothing left in the world between this and like a homeless person's toe.
A homeless person's toe.
Are you serious?
No. I'm kidding. This.
Okay, so out of 10 though, what would you rate this product? This garbage bag product. If this was like made by, I don't know.
Like a beauty brand?
Yeah. They call it
like a 6. 6.72.
a 6?
Yeah.
Why?
Because like it actually like kind of blends it well. Like look, there's like no streaks or anything.
You just have skill.
No, yours doesn't have streaks. Where's your streaks?
I like, yeah, actually.
Right?
Try this out and let us know.
I just don't put it near your eye.
Yeah. Unless you got like nails. Like what she's doing. She got some nails.
But my eye hurts.
Beauty is pain. I don't know what I would give this.
I feel like you can't powder with this though.
I mean, I have powder contour, but I can't use it. I don't think it would pick up well.
Because I feel like it'll be splotchy if you use powder with this.
Yeah. Well, that was our makeup review / challenge of garbage bags.
I'm gonna replace my beauty blender with this.
No.
This is what? 2 cents? 5 cents?
I don't know. They come in huge packs.
And they're huge garbage bags. You'll have a lifetime
Supply.
supply.
And you don't have to wash them. You can just throw them away.
I mean, unless you want to wash it. You do you.
Oh, that would be gross. You know, they do have scented ones. Scented garbage bags. Yeah, that concludes this video. If you want to follow her,
my Instagram is @Rachel.thebest.
It's gonna be in the middle.
That.
My social media will be down below.
Link in bio.
Yes, comment below what you think of this product. What are we gonna name this product? Like just like
Trash.
Trash. No, not trash. Maybe like Bage.
What's Bage? Oh, like garbage.
Yeah. The Bage blender.
Garbage blender.
What actually
I like
sounds...
Bage.
Bage?
That sounds bougie. Link in description.
If you use this, we'll sponsor you. With a free Bage blender. Like, comment, subscribe.